Lots of people think getting rich means having a super high-paying job or winning the lottery. They imagine sudden windfalls or striking it lucky overnight. But the real secret to building wealth is much simpler and more accessible to everyone. It's called compounding. Compounding is like a money-making helper that quietly grows your wealth over time. It's a powerful force that can turn small, regular investments into substantial sums. It's like putting your money to work so it earns more money, then using that new money to make even more. This cycle continues, creating a snowball effect. Think of a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it gets bigger and bigger, faster and faster. That's compounding. It starts with a small amount, but over time, it grows exponentially, accelerating your wealth-building journey. The longer your money is invested, the more powerful it gets. Time is the key ingredient that makes compounding so effective. The sooner you start, the better. Even small amounts invested early can grow significantly over the years. Time is your best friend when it comes to compounding. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. By understanding this and using it to your advantage, you can control your financial future and build a safe and happy life for yourself and your loved ones. Ready to unlock the power of compounding and start your journey to financial freedom? Let's find out how together. Imagine that snowball again, starting small and seemingly insignificant. Small at first, but it grows bigger and bigger as it rolls down the hill, gathering more snow. That's exactly how compounding works with your money. It starts small but grows exponentially over time. You invest £1,000 and it earns 10% in a year, which might not seem like much initially. Now you have £1,100. That extra £100 is your interest. Here's the magic. Next year you earn 10% on £1,100, not just the first 1,000. Your interest earns interest. You earn money on your money, and it grows faster and faster, creating a snowball effect. This snowball effect makes compounding incredibly powerful and effective. The longer your money compounds, the faster it grows, accelerating over time. It's like planting a tree. The best time to plant was yesterday, but the second best time is today. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound. Even a little money invested regularly over a long time can grow into a substantial amount. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich steadily and safely, ensuring financial security. Now that you understand compounding, let's explore how time enhances its effects and why starting early is crucial for maximizing your wealth. Time is your best friend when it comes to the power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow and multiply. Let's take a closer look at Sarah and John, two individuals with different investment timelines. They both have the same goal, to retire comfortably at the age of 65. Sarah begins her investment journey by putting away £200 every month starting at the age of 25. On the other hand, John starts later, investing £500 every month beginning at the age of 40. Let's assume they both achieve an annual return of 7% on their investments. Now who do you think will have more money saved up by the time they retire? You might initially think John since he invests a larger amount each month, but surprisingly Sarah, who started her investments earlier, ends up with significantly more. This is because her money had more time to compound and grow exponentially. By the time they reach retirement, Sarah has accumulated more than double what John has, even though she invested less overall. This clearly demonstrates the incredible power of time in the investment world. Start early, even if you can only invest small amounts, and you will have a much better chance to grow your wealth substantially. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. Invest regularly over time and let the magic of compounding work its wonders for you. Section 4. The Rule of 72. This simple tool helps you guess how long it takes for your investment to double. Just divide 72 by the yearly rate of return. The answer is roughly how many years it takes to double your money. For example, if you earn 6% each year, it takes about 12 years to double. 72 divided by 6 equals 12. This rule helps you compare different investments and understand how they might grow. An investment with a 9% return doubles in 8 years. 72 divided by 9 equals 8, while a 4% return takes 18 years. The rule of 72 is a simple trick, and it doesn't include things like fees, but it's a good starting point for understanding compounding. Now that you know about doubling, let's look at how to start investing. Section 5. Your journey to financial freedom. Investing might seem scary, but it doesn't have to be. Here's how to start. 1. What are you saving for? A house? Retirement? Clear goals will keep you excited and help you make good choices. 2. Track your money in and money out to see where you can save more and invest regularly. Even small amounts help over time. 3. Start investing early. Time is your friend. Start now, even if it's just a little bit. 4. Don't put all your money in one place. Invest in different things like stocks, bonds, and real estate to be safer and potentially earn more. 5. Talk to a money expert. They can help you make a plan for your goals. Remember, investing is a journey. Start small, keep going, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Section 6. Patience and persistence. These are super important for investing. Building wealth takes time and discipline. Sometimes the market goes up and down, but it's important to stick with it and trust compounding. Think about Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors ever. He didn't get rich overnight. It took decades of smart investing, thinking long-term, and believing in compounding. Remember, investing isn't about guessing what the market will do. It's about giving your money time to grow. Don't make quick decisions because the market changes quickly. Focus on your long-term goals. Start early, invest regularly, be patient, and let compounding work its magic. You'll be amazed by the results. So what are you waiting for? Start today!